Most researchers in Africa rely on SPSS or STATA for data analysis, but these tools are expensive, require training, and are not always available. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform real statistical analysis, chi-square tests, prevalence estimates, bivariate associations, directly in your browser for free, using ScholarForge Academy's Data Analysis module. No software installation, no SPSS license. Just upload your data and let the platform do the work. Log in to ScholarForge.academy and click on Data Analysis from the left sidebar under Research and Analysis. You will see the upload area with three options: upload file, paste CSV, or use the sample size calculator. The module accepts CSV, Excel, and TSV files up to 10 megabytes. I will upload my HIV antiretroviral therapy dataset in Excel format. Once uploaded, ScholarForge instantly profiles your data. It shows you the number of rows, columns, and duplicate records. Each variable is automatically classified as categorical or numeric. For my dataset, 250 participants, 15 variables, all variables were correctly identified as categorical, including age group, sex, WHO stage, viral load categories, and adverse drug reactions. This profiling step helps you understand your data before running any analysis. ScholarForge then recommends the most appropriate statistical tests for your specific data. For my dataset, it recommended descriptive statistics, multiple chi-square tests of independence for categorical associations, and flagged logistic regression and stratified analysis as options for deeper investigation. You can click Get AI Advice to get a full explanation of why each test is suitable, including effect size measures, assumptions, and interpretation guidance. This alone replaces hours of consulting a statistician. Click Generate Full Comprehensive Report. The platform automatically runs all appropriate analyses on your entire dataset. In my case, 37 chi-square tests of independence across all variable combinations, descriptive statistics for all 15 variables, and prevalence estimates with 95% confidence intervals using the Wilson score method. 17 out of 37 tests were statistically significant at p less than 0.05. All of this runs in under 30 seconds. No waiting, no coding, no SPSS syntax. The results display in real time with publication-ready APA formatted tables. Table 1 shows sociodemographic and clinical characteristics. Table 2 is a summary of all chi-square tests, with chi-square values, degrees of freedom, p-values, and Cramér's vi-effect sizes, ready to paste directly into your manuscript. Below the tables, you will find automatically generated figures, bar charts, and grouped bar charts showing the significant associations. Each figure has two download buttons, PNG for embedding in documents, and Download Editable for customizing colors and labels. Click Generate Full Report, and ScholarForge writes a complete publication-ready narrative interpreting every test, methods, sample characteristics, bivariate analysis, and prevalence estimates. In formal academic English. Add your name and institution in the fields provided, then download the complete report as a Word document. The report includes all tables, figure captions, APA formatting, and a transparency statement. ScholarForge also generates reproducible code for your analysis in SPSS, STATA, and R, so you can verify results independently or share the syntax with your supervisor. But here's what makes ScholarForge truly powerful. Your data analysis report does not have to stay in isolation. You can take this downloaded Word document and upload it directly into the Thesis Writer, the Report, and Document Writer, or the Journal Manuscript module. ScholarForge will use your actual statistical results to write your dissertation chapters, research report, or journal article, all grounded in your real data, not invented numbers. That is ScholarForge Academy Data Analysis. Real statistics, no SPSS, no coding, no expensive software. Upload your data, run comprehensive analysis, download your report, and feed it into your thesis or manuscript. Try it free at scholarforge.academy. Link is in the description. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. Next, I will show you how to format citations automatically in any style. See you then.